All right, here we go. Oh boy. Okay. Look at this. So with bric rack and a card and the invoice. Oh, I can't. Oh, they're so pretty. It's a digital safari print slinky crepe viscose knit panel. Oh yeah, this is, I forgot, this is another amazing part of Elliot Berman. They tag it. So this comes from France. Look at this. This is so stunning. So here's the panel. There's the tiger. And the landscape. Look at that. And so on the panel, there's a total of, looks like 3 tigers. Oh, and then a partial one off to the side. I love this color. Gorgeous. When I plan sewing with panels and border prints and things like that, so I'm excited to play around with this. I tend to drape them on my dress form to get an idea of placement and how it's going to look. The next one is a printed viscose knit. This one's from Italy. And once again, there's the tag. Okay, and the colors on this, oh, it's so soft. The colors on this. So it's blues and like a mustard and then a rusty burgundy color. And then the white. It's beautiful. And then the drape. So the colors are really, really rich on this. This one is an activewear. It's a really unique activewear. Has got a metallic stripe in it. So it's got good stretch both ways. And then there's the stripe. And the nice thing about it is, so the metallic, it does have a texture to it. It is a little bit raised, but on the back, on the inside, there's no metallic, so there's nothing to scratch against your skin. That's what the inside looks like. So, and I'm planning to play around with stripes for this. So we'll see what I can come up with. And so these 3 fabrics I'm going to be sewing up. And then I'll be posting about what I've made with them. That's Elliot Berman Textiles.